Garlic is used widely as a flavoring in cooking, but it has also been used as a medicine throughout ancient and modern history. It has been taken to prevent and treat a wide range of conditions and diseases. Garlic belongs to the genus Allium and is closely related to the onion, rachio, an onion found in Asia, scallion, chive, leek, and shallot. It has been used by humans for thousands of years and was used in ancient Egypt for both culinary purposes and its health and therapeutic benefits. Fast facts on garlic. In many countries, garlic has been used medicinally for centuries. Garlic may have a range of health benefits, both raw and cooked. It may have significant antibiotic properties. Garlic is widely used for several conditions linked to the blood system and heart, including atherosclerosis, high cholesterol, heart attack, coronary heart disease, and hypertension. Garlic is also used today by some people for the prevention of lung cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer, rectal cancer, and colon cancer. There are plenty benefit of garlic. Let's have a look some health benefits of garlic. Reduces blood pressure. Hypertension or high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of cardiovascular diseases, such as strokes and heart attacks. High doses of aged garlic extract seem to help lower blood pressure even compared to conventional prescribed drugs. Taking 600 to 1,500 milligrams of the extract contributed to reducing hypertension within 24 weeks. However, this is comparable to consuming 4 cloves per day if you prefer to eat them. By no means should you stop taking your blood pressure medication and consume a bunch of garlic, but there are options to explore with your doctor and nutritionist. The blood purifier. Tired of covering up those zits with concealer every morning? It's time to tackle the root cause of acne by purifying blood from inside to get healthy skin on the outside. Take 2 cloves of raw garlic with some warm water every day, early in the morning, and consume a lot of water the entire day. If you're looking to shed some pounds, squeeze the juice of half a lemon in a glass of lukewarm water and have it with 2 cloves of garlic in the mornings. Garlic will help to cleanse your system and flush out toxins. Lung cancer risk. People who ate raw garlic at least twice a week during the 7-year study period had a 44% lower risk of developing lung cancer. Brain cancer. Organosulfur compounds found in garlic have been identified as effective in destroying the cells in glioblastomas, a type of deadly brain tumor. Scientists at the Medical University of South Carolina reported in the journal Cancer that 3 pure organosulfur compounds from garlic demonstrated efficacy in eradicating brain cancer cells, but that's proved to be the most effective. Potentially a powerful antibiotic. Diallyl sulfide, a compound in garlic, was 100 times more effective than 2 popular antibiotics in fighting the Campylobacter bacterium, according to a study published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy. The Campylobacter bacterium is one of the most common causes of intestinal infections. This work is very exciting to me because it shows that this compound has the potential to reduce disease-causing bacteria in the environment and in our food supply. Cold and flu. Garlic is going to provide you relief from that stubborn cold and flu. Taking 2 to 3 cloves of raw or cooked garlic a day or sipping some garlic tea with a touch of honey or ginger to lift up the taste is not only going to relieve a stuffed nose and cure the cold but also build your immunity against these frequent visitors over time. Garlic can be added to hot stews, broths and soups to fight sinusitis, cold and flu. And garlic is best had in its raw state. Prevention of heart disease. Consuming garlic on a daily basis, in food or raw, helps to lower cholesterol levels because of the antioxidant properties of allicin. It is also immensely beneficial to regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It is essential to remember that the sulfur-containing compound allicin tends to lose its medicinal properties when garlic is cooked whole. It is imperative to consume garlic raw or semi-cooked to derive any of its benefits. Antibacterial and antiparasitic. Garlic is one of the best-kept medicinal treasures of the past era. It has been used as an antibiotic to treat bacterial, fungal and parasitic infections for the last 7,000 years. Studies suggest diluted garlic extract helps children with tapeworm infections. A garlic-based mouthwash may not sound like fresh, minty breath, but a very small quantity of its extracts is sufficient to ward off cavity-causing bacteria. Cancer prevention. Several studies have indicated an association between daily consumption of garlic and prevention of stomach and colorectal cancers. It is said to strengthen the immunity of the body against cancer. For skin and hair. The invigorating properties of garlic protect the skin from the effect of free radicals and slow down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied topically, garlic does wonders to skin infected with fungal infections and provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It is also an effective remedy for fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. All of us know about the wonders of onion for hair, but its brother, garlic, is no less of a hero for your thinning mane. Rubbing crushed garlic extract on your scalp or massaging with garlic-infused oil is known to prevent and even reverse hair loss. Boost immunity. Garlic has phytonutrients that help reduce oxidative stress, strengthening your immunity. The herb also reduces fatigue and boosts energy. In test tubes, garlic appears to kill cancer cells, and studies involving people show some of the same outcomes. According to the Iowa Women's Health Study, involving 41,000 middle-aged women, those who routinely ate garlic, fruits and vegetables had a 35% lower colon cancer risk. Benefits came from raw and cooked garlic, not supplements. Work as an anti-inflammatory. Research has shown that garlic oil works as an anti-inflammatory. So, if you have sore and inflamed joints or muscles, rub them with the oil. Improve cardiovascular health. The verdict is still out on whether garlic improves your cholesterol levels, but research does indicate it can have a positive impact on your arteries and blood pressure. Investigators believe red blood cells turn the sulfur in garlic into hydrogen sulfide gas that expands our blood vessels, making it easier to regulate blood pressure. Protect your food. Those same antibacterial properties in fresh garlic can kill the bacteria that led to food poisoning, including Salmonella and E. coli. Don't use garlic as a substitute for proper food sanitation and food handling, though. Improves brain function. Free radicals contribute to the aging process. Antioxidants from garlic help protect the body from oxidative damage. An increased amount of antioxidants in your diet can boost brain health. This method may prevent the onset of brain diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Shield your cells from harm thanks to eating more garlic. Promotes longevity. Because of the health benefits of garlic, consuming more of it can help you live longer. The combination of lowering blood pressure and cholesterol along with the notions that it boosts your immune system all point in the direction of longevity. Although it is difficult to test through studies, garlic has beneficial effects on common diseases, especially those found in elderly patients. Nutrition. Garlic is very low in calories, saturated fats, and sodium. It has several useful minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, zinc, calcium, and iron, and trace minerals like iodine, sulfur, and chlorine. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, garlic is a rich source of B vitamins, folate, thiamine, niacin, and B6, and vitamins C, A, and K. Garlic is one of the rare dietary sources of organic compounds, allicin, alizatin-1, and alizatin bone health. Herbs like garlic and onion may impact estrogen levels in menopausal women, reducing the risk of osteoarthritis. They may also minimize bone loss and improve overall bone health in both men and women. Boosts digestion. Daily inclusion of raw garlic cloves in your diet aids digestive problems. Even inflammation or irritation of the gastric canal may be reduced using this herb. Garlic helps clear up most intestinal problems like dysentery, diarrhea, and colitis. It does not affect the good bacteria in the intestine but destroys the harmful ones. It not only enhances digestion but also helps relieve stomach gas. Eye care. It is rich in nutrients like selenium, quercetin, and vitamin C, all of which contribute to eye health and help with eye infections and inflammation. Caution. A few words of caution: garlic's health benefits are plenty, but don't add too much to your diet too quickly. Overdoing it can cause discomfort, including upset stomach, bloating, diarrhea, bad breath and body odor. Garlic supplements can cause headaches, fatigue, appetite loss, muscle aches, dizziness and allergic reactions such as asthma attacks or skin rashes. If you take blood thinners, taking a garlic supplement can increase the medication's effect, making it even harder for your blood to clot. 1. Asthma patients should not consume garlic as it may have side effects. 2. Garlic should be avoided before surgeries or medical operations. 3. Do not consume more than 2 to 3 garlic cloves in a day without consulting a doctor.